Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply gonna go ahead and teach you how you can get notifications when a game goes on sale on Steam. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go ahead and open your Steam, and once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead on the store, and let's just say we have a game that we want to go ahead and buy, but we are waiting for it to go on sale. So all you have to do is first of all go ahead and open the game that you want on sale, or get notified when it goes on sale, and all you have to do is just simply add the game to wishlist right over here. Click on this, and once you have added it to your wish list, it's gonna go ahead and let you know whenever this game has a discount or goes on sale. In order to make sure that it gives you the notification, you're gonna go up here and click on account settings, and finally over here there is going to be manage email preferences right over here. Click on that, and once you have done that, the first thing you want to go ahead and tick mark is this option right over here, which says send me an email when a discount is applied on the game. And it is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.